Stock number 40449B 2016 Crosstrek. Hit on the passenger side front. Driver's side, passenger side headlight is no good. No bumper. The bumper reinforcement is no good. Left side headlight looks to be good. Left fender is good. Left mirror is missing the bottom portion of the housing. Left front door is good. Has one parking lot ding. Left rear door is good. It has one parking lot ding. Left quarter has a big dent, crease down the side. The rear bumper is scratched on the left side. Some minor scratches in the center rear of it. And a small scratch on the corner of the right side. Right side tail light looks good. Left side tail light looks good. The rear gate looks good. The spoiler was ripped off, so it's got some bent holes right here, one on each side. The spoiler was no good. Right rear quarter looks good. Right rear door is good. One parking lot ding. Right front door is good. Has three parking lot dings that I could see. Right side headlight, right side mirror is good. Has sunroof, roof rack. Hood is damaged, no good. Two cooling fans look to be good. Radiator still has water in it. It's holding fluid. Driver's side airbag is good. Heated seats. Driver's side front airbag, seat belt is good. Driver's knee airbag is good. Missing left and right side headrests in the rear seat. Right side rear seatbelt is good. Left side rear seatbelt is good. Passenger front seatbelt is good. Front door is actually bent in the front, creased where it's hitting the fender. Right front wheel is no good. Right rear wheel is good. 17-inch 5-spoke. Left rear wheel is good. Left front wheel is good. This is stock number 40449B 2016 Crosstrek.